Hi, I'm Spencer Ehrenfeld. Networking is one of the most important skills that any lawyer can have and should have, but it's not something they teach you how to do in law school. Most lawyer networking events are large seminars or conventions where hundreds, sometimes thousands of lawyers are put up in some exotic city somewhere with the intent that they meet each other and create relationships, but it's very hard to do that. Here are 4 important keys that I suggest you use at your next networking event. The first one is to have a plan and be honest with yourself. Why am I going to this event? If you're going there just to have 3 days in New York City and have fun, well, then that's great. But if you're going there to create meaningful business relationships with other attorneys, you need to have a plan to do this. And it starts with key number 2, which is interaction. If you go and stay in your room or you don't go and speak to other lawyers or vendors, you're not going to really get the best benefit of this networking opportunity. Go up to complete strangers, introduce yourself, and exchange business cards and ideas and ask questions. What kind of law do you practice? Where do you practice? How do you get cases? How do you advertise? Exchange these ideas with each other and make sure you give them your card. And number 3 is when you get the card, keep the card. What I recommend you do is write on the back of the card who you met, when you met them, and some key information that they gave you. There are a lot of apps out there now that allow you to scan the card in right away. I like to take a picture of the person so I have their picture with the contact to remind me who I met and when and what we talked about. Because at the end of the day or a busy week at a conference, you'll have hundreds of business cards which will most likely end up in the trash can, as will yours. If you don't, which is key number 4, follow up on the meeting. Just getting the cards and meeting the people really doesn't make a difference if there's no follow-up. And with social media, you can add them to LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, but follow up with these people so that you can stay in touch in the future. We use a database and then send an email newsletter out to just about everyone who ever gives me an email. In fact, if you'd like to receive our email, you can click on the link below. But this is one way to follow up. And when I go to these networking events, a lot of times people come up to me and say, "Hey, Spencer, thanks for the email. I like it. I enjoy it." But it keeps top of the mind awareness with that person of what we do. If they don't follow up with me, well, that's on them, but it is also my responsibility to find out what they're doing. That's networking. We've created a unique opportunity for you. If you are an attorney in South Florida, we invite you to join us at the Attorney Breakfast Club. What makes this venue unique is that it's a small and intimate setting where lawyers get together at least once a month, where we have breakfast with each other, we talk about cases, we spotlight a member each month so that we can learn more about what they do and their practice. And what makes this unique compared to other networking opportunities for lawyers is it's only one lawyer per specialty. At these breakfasts, you won't be surrounded by 50 personal injury lawyers or 25 family law lawyers. It's one criminal defense lawyer, one immigration lawyer, one bankruptcy lawyer. And at the table, we exchange cases, exchange ideas, and create deep, profound, professional relationships that not only will provide you business, but will ensure that the business that you refer them will be handled appropriately and that referral fees will be paid when appropriate. That is a key ingredient to the Attorney Breakfast Club, is knowing that your client's case will be taken care of properly. We invite you to join us at the next Attorney Breakfast Club. Look forward to having breakfast with you there. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. To learn more about the Attorney Breakfast Club, check out some of our other videos and be sure to hit subscribe above.